Hello again, thank you for opening this video. Last time we were reading a story, we were live, and I hope you guys have enjoyed it. If you didn't watch it, if you're not there, please go in my playlist and watch that video. It was very good. And I have asked you to tell me what I should work on next in the poll that I put in my community, and I got some people who voted for vocabularies and verbs, but votes were equal, so I have 50 votes for vocabularies and 50 votes for verbs, so I'll be giving them to you together. So today I decided to work on vocabularies that are used in business. These are vocabularies that we use in our daily life in business. With Kinyarwanda we say amagambo akoreshwa mu bushabitsi or mu bucuruzi. Business is ubucuruzi or ubushabitsi in Kinyarwanda. And vocabularies can be amagambo used akoreshwa. So amagambo akoreshwa mu bushabitsi means vocabularies that are used in English. Or no, in business. Sorry. And this is part 1. We'll be getting parts new part every week. So let's get started. The first word is collaboration. When you're in business, you need to collaborate. So collaboration means ubufatanye. In Kinyarwanda, when you say ubufatanye, in English you mean collaboration. This word ubufatanye comes from the verb ubufatanya. I told you I'll be giving you some verbs. So this verb gufatanya means working together or collaborating. Gufatanya, like you can see it. I know you know how to read. So gufatanya, it means working together or collaborating, and this word gufatanya comes from this verb. Example of this word being used like might be ubufatanye ni ingenzi mu bucuruzi. Ubufatanye ni ingenzi mu bucuruzi. This means that collaboration is very important in business. Ubufatanye ni ingenzi mu bucuruzi. Collaboration is very important in business. I told you ubucuruzi is business. Ingenzi means very important, and ubufatanye is collaboration. So ubufatanye ni ingenzi mu bucuruzi. It means collaboration is very important in business. This is the first word, collaboration, which means ubufatanye. It means working together, ubufatanye, or collaborating. Collaboration, ubufatanye, working together. Okay, let's go to the next word, which is prioritize. Prioritize means gushyira imbere, or it doesn't have the exact meaning in Kinyarwanda. That's why I used two words. It means gushyira imbere, or making something more important than others. So we can use it as gushyira imbere ibyihutirwa, which means prioritizing most important things. Ibyihutirwa, most important things. I told you ingenzi is important, but this byihutirwa might also mean important things which need to be done before others. That are ibyihutirwa. Okay, so this prioritize can mean gushyira imbere. And example might be tugomba gushyira imbere ibyihutirwa. It means we must prioritize the most important, or the things that need to be done first. That are ibyihutirwa. Ibyihutirwa are things that need to be done first. So prioritize means gushyira imbere. Prioritizing, I know that word. And the next word is communicate. Communicate have different meanings. It's not one meaning. When you say communicate, it means passing information to each other from one person to another. In Kinyarwanda I call that gutangaza. Gutangaza, kumenyesha, or kubwirana. All of that might be communicate or communication. Gutangaza means telling people something. That is communication. Gutangaza. Kumenyesha is also telling them something, or kubwirana. kubwirana means telling each other, tell each other. That's kubwirana. So example of communication might be mubamenyeshe ko twahinduye ibiro, mubamenyeshe ko twahinduye ibiro. This means tell them or communicate to them that we have changed our office. Mubamenyeshe means tell them or communicate to them. This is the conjugated verb, that is gutangaza, kumenyesha or kubwira. They are all verbs, and I know that communicate is also a verb. So when you say mubamenyeshe, you are conjugating this verb called kumenyesha. Mubamenyeshe ko twahinduye ibiro. Tell them or communicate to them that we have changed. Twahinduye, it means we have changed. Ibiro is office. We have changed our office. Tell them we have changed office. Okay. The next word is increment. Increment, when you say increment, it means gushyira mu bikorwa. In Kinyarwanda, gushyira mu bikorwa in English is increment. Implementing something means putting in action, which means gushyira mu bikorwa in Kinyarwanda. So this is very understandable, so I will just give you an example. An example is dukeneye gushyira mu bikorwa uyu mwanzuro. Dukeneye, we need. Dukeneye means we need. Dukeneye, it means we need. Gushyira mu bikorwa, implementing, we need to implement or implement. We need to implement this decision. Dukeneye gushyira mu bikorwa uyu mwanzuro. We need to implement this decision. Let's go to the next word. The next word is authorize. Authorize means kwemerera, allowing someone to do something or allowing someone to have access on something. That's kwemerera or authorize. In Kinyarwanda we say kwemerera. This is a verb. I'm sure everything that I'm showing you are verbs. You have seen kubwirana, kumenyesha, they are all verbs, and this one kwemerera is also a verb. So authorize means allowing someone to do something. In Kinyarwanda we say kwemerera. Kwemerera or kwemererwa, they are all the meaning for authorize. Example is ntiwemerewe kwinjira hano. This is also in negative. This means you are not allowed to enter here. Kwinjira means to enter. Hano means here. Hano is here, and kwinjira means to enter. Ntiwemerewe, it means you are not allowed or you are not authorized to enter here. Ntiwemerewe means you are not authorized or you are not allowed. Ntiwemerewe kwinjira hano. This is negative for this verb, and it is conjugated in negative. So let's continue. I will teach you about conjugating verbs, or in Kinyarwanda we call them increment. I will teach you about that in Dilution if you choose to. And the next one is distribute. Distribute means gukwirakwiza. Distribution. You know, distribution is taking things from one place to another, like from Kigali to US, like COVID is being distributed to the world very quickly. People are carrying it to different countries. That's COVID. That's how it is being contaminated to every part of the world. It is being distributed. That's distributing. So in Kinyarwanda we say gukwirakwiza. Distributing means gukwirakwiza. Example, gukwirakwiza ibicuruzwa byacu birihutirwa. Gukwirakwiza, distributing our products. Ibicuruzwa byacu means our products. Ibicuruzwa is products. Ibicuruzwa is products. Ibicuruzwa byacu means our products. Gukwirakwiza ibicuruzwa byacu, distributing our products, birihutirwa is very important. birihutirwa means very important. I think I said that, or something that need to be done before others. Kwihutirwa, gukwirakwiza ibicuruzwa byacu birihutirwa. Distributing our products is very important or need to be done before others. So let's move to the next. The next one is coordinate. Coordinate can mean guhuza abantu. Like when someone say I am a coordinator, it means that he helps some people to work together, like 2 or 3 people or a team. He is their leader, he helps them work together. So coordinating means guhuza abantu or bringing people together, but in terms of helping them work together. So that's coordinating, and in Kinyarwanda we call that guhuza abantu. Example is ndi umuhuzabikorwa w'akagari. Akagari is cell. It's one of the administrative levels we have here in Rwanda. So akagari is cell. So when we say ndi umuhuzabikorwa w'akagari, you say I am a coordinator of our cell, which means I'm a coordinator at our cell. Ndi umuhuzabikorwa w'akagari. Coordinator, umuhuzabikorwa. This is a word that comes from this verb, guhuza abantu, or guhuza ibikorwa, guhuza abantu. They all mean the same. Guhuza abantu, coordinate. And the next one is train. We know we all need training. We need someone to train us. We need to train someone. So this word train can have 2 meanings. It can have the meaning of gutoza, which is training someone, and gutozwa, which means being trained. Gutoza is training someone, and gutozwa means being trained. So I hope you guys understand this. So train have 2 meanings. You can mean gutoza, which means you are training someone, and gutozwa, which means you are being trained. And these are all verbs. They are verbs. So let me give you an example. Example is nkeneye umutoza w'abakozi banjye. This is a word umutoza that comes from this verb gutoza. Umutoza is trainer. So this means I need nkeneye. I think I've said this before. Nkeneye umutoza, trainer w'abakozi banjye, my employees. Abakozi means employees, abakozi. Nkeneye umutoza w'abakozi banjye. Banjye means my. Nkeneye umutoza w'abakozi banjye, which means I need a trainer for my employees. Let's move to the last word, I think, which is reader. A reader means umuyobozi. I think this word is very important in business, because you are the reader, or you have a reader. The reader, we call him or her umuyobozi. Someone who leads others. Umuyobozi. This comes from the verb that is called kuyobora, which means to lead. So umuyobozi means a reader. And an example of this is that umuyobozi wanjye agira umutima mwiza. Umuyobozi wanjye, my leader, agira umutima mwiza. He is kind-hearted. My leader is kind-hearted. Kind-hearted is umutima mwiza. Kind-hearted, umutima mwiza. Umuyobozi wanjye agira umutima mwiza. My leader is kind-hearted. So the last word is planning. Planning, we need to plan in business, to plan for things that we are going to do, or things that we need to do in our business to get profit. That's the goal of business. So planning in Kinyarwanda means gutegura. So gutegura, it is used in business because every business activity requires a plan. So an example of this might be buri gikorwa gisaba kugitegura. gutegura, kuyitegura. This means the same. Every activity requires to plan for it. Buri gikorwa, igikorwa means activity, igikorwa, buri gikorwa, buri gikorwa means activity, buri gikorwa, every activity requires, gisaba, requires, gisaba, kugitegura, planning for it or to plan for it, or kugitegura means to plan for it. So example means buri gikorwa, every activity requires to plan for it. Every activity requires to plan for it. And I thank you for watching this video, for following me from the beginning until the end, and I hope you have learned something in this video. If you have learned something, please feel free to give me a comment, tell me how it was, what I can add, what I can remove, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. That's show me that you liked it, so I can now have motivation to make another videos. And if you are new here, consider subscribing so you won't miss any of our videos, and ping me on WhatsApp, send me a message on WhatsApp. You can see my number here and I will leave it in the description, so you can send me a message on WhatsApp and you can chat, you can practice Kinyarwanda. And here I have social media sites, you can also send me a message there. So I thank you. This was part 1. Watch out part 2 of vocabularies. Have a good time.